Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amara. How did you know that I joined in?
I saw your name.
Oh, wow. But my name is not written on the screen.
When your camera is off, this name comes. My name is
Oh,
Amar. Here you can see. Here I can see.
okay. You can see in participants. But in participants, it's written Curie Golden Sparrow. It's not written Shazia. How
Okay.
did you know? Okay, that's all right. Now, what should we do? Can we stop the screen share? I want you all to do. When the teacher comes in, you should immediately stop sharing the screen, okay?
Ma'am, that's what I do always.
Oh, thank you, Musfira Sayed. Thank you so much. Okay. So do we have all our kids over here? Musfira is there. Both Musfiras
No,
are there. Who's left
no,
then?
ma'am.
Who's left?
Manha.
Manha is not in this class. She's not in Curie. She's in Newton. Okay. Umaima is also in Newton. So who is in Curie? Who's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Khatija. Khatija is not there, but she's not going to join in today. 5. Okay, we have all our kids over here. Okay, let me turn on my screen then. Yes, Musfira Rizwani, I can't hear you properly, beta. No, 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 no. Yes, I am the host, but I can't hear you, Rizwani, Musfira. Hmm? Nah, nah, I can't hear you. Musfira Rizwani, speak.
Musfira
Ha.
Rizwani, where?
Now I can hear you. Yes, yes. Now I can hear you.
Yes.
Okay. So what are we going to do right now is this is a science session, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why all are so dull?
Last one is art.
Yes, last one is arts. I'm so happy. Okay.
Me
Uh,
also.
Amara is
Then
also happy.
holiday.
Oh wow, then 3 days holiday. It is so
Yes.
exciting. 3 days.
Sunday, Monday. 3 days.
Today Ali is not in the mood to study. Isa, I'm not talking to you, Usman. Usman, I'm not talking to you. I want to speak to Ali. Okay, I'm not talking to you, Usman.
Today, Umayma is going to come at my house.
Usman, I'm not going to talk to you, Usman. I want to speak to Ali. I want Ali on the screen, not you. Okay?
This is Curie class, not your class, Usman.
This is Ali's class. It's not your class. You have some time. You have some years, okay, to join in. Now let Ali study. Okay, Usman? Okay. Now what are we going to do is we are going to play a game. Okay? But I'm going to play a game. I'm going to enjoy. Okay? But at the same time, you should also enjoy. I will show you what game I'm going to play. Yes.
Ma'am, what make an idea to play? I feel happy.
Okay, okay. So just the idea of playing a game makes you happy, Ammar. I'm so proud of you. Ali, today we are not going to do experiment because it becomes too much of material. Yesterday we did sandwich making, right, Ali? Was your sandwich nice?
Yes.
Yes, you ate it?
I love the capsicum.
So you should avoid whatever vegetable you don't like. You should only put the vegetables you like, right? So next time.
I had cucumber.
Cucumber is everybody's favorite. Ali, I can't hear you. Yes.
My favorite also.
Yes.
Cucumber and I eat it.
Oh, you ate it like that only, plain, right?
No, I eat it complete.
I know. Zainab loved that sandwich a lot. Where is my Musfira Sayyed? She has gone?
No, she's here.
Okay, but just keep your spiral book and even textbook ready, okay, with you. At one point of time, I'm going to make you all right. Okay. Okay, good, Ammara. Good. Chalo, let me share my screen and we'll play a game, okay?
Okay.
Usman, what are you doing, Usman? Uh-oh. Just a minute. Huh? Just a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No?
It's loading. It's loading.
Just will give 30 seconds.
No, it is there.
Can you see the screen? If you see the screen, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will share again. Let me stop sharing again and I will share the screen again. Okay. Okay. Let me share. Okay. Okay. Now tell me whether can you see the screen or not. Okay.
Yes, I can see. I can see.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
can also see.
Okay. We'll start the game. Okay. 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 Now what are we going to do over here is we are going to make a circuit. Okay. So who can tell me, but just raise your hand if you want to answer, and if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay. If we want to make a circuit, a simple circuit, what components you will require? Okay. Zainab has raised her hand. Zainab, tell me. Go ahead. Zainab, you're on mute. Zainab, you're on mute. Unmute yourself.
We need battery. We need lamp. We need a wire and a switch.
Okay, okay. So we are going to, okay, yes, Ammara, tell me.
We need a battery. We need a switch.
Battery, switch, and one more thing. Two more things. Battery, yes, definitely we need a bulb. We need wires, even wires to connect, right, to the battery. Yes,
Wire.
and switch is an option. But battery, wire, and bulb is very, very important to have a simple circuit. Okay. So first I will take wires, okay, from here, and I'm going to make a simple circuit. Ali, are you there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm making a simple circuit. Okay. What else did you say? Battery. And I'm going to use a battery as well. And you said bulb. Okay. So I'm going to use batteries over here. Okay. Then I'm going to use bulb somewhere here. I'm going to use another wire connecting to the bulb. Okay. So, see, so this is my simple circuit. I have used wires, lot of wires to connect my bulb and the battery. And see, my bulb is glowing. Yes or no? So my circuit is complete. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I want to hear that sound.
Yes.
Ali, you are on mute. Ali, and electrons are also moving. Yes. Now what should I add? What should I add in my circuit? See, can you see the options over here? Can you see the options? Now tell me.
Switch.
Which should I add switch? Okay, I'll add switch into it. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to cancel this.
Add the switch.
Okay, I'm adding the switch to it. Okay. I'm closing the switch. Still my light is still my bulb is glowing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you can see. So this my circuit is complete. Now tell me what else should I add? See, can you see the options? What else should I add? We'll try with everything, okay, over here. Pin. Okay. Okay. That's a paper clip. Okay. So you have to guess whether if I'll add paper clip to the circuit, will my bulb glow or not? Okay.
Yes.
It will glow. It will glow. Let's try this. Okay. Let's try this. Okay.
It is made out of paper, so
No,
it
it's
will
not. It's not made of paper. It's a name, paper clip. It's made of metal. So what is this paper clip? What is this?
We win.
Good. But tell me, what is this metal? Sorry, what is this paper clip made of? Musfira Sayyed? Metal. And metal is insulator or conductor?
Conductor.
Conductor. It is conductor. That is why my bulb is glowing. Let's try another material, okay? Because it is a conductor.
US eraser.
What should we try? Eraser? Should we try eraser? Okay. Okay, we'll try eraser. And what do you think? What do you think? My bulb will glow or not, Amara?
No.
Why? Why it will not glow?
Because we don't make with a metal.
Yes, because it is not made of metal. And what is rubber actually?
It's rubber.
It's what is rubber? Insulator or conductor?
Insulator.
It's a insulator. Amara, are you there, Amara? So see, is my bulb glowing now?
No.
Oh, because this is an insulator. It will not allow electricity to pass through it. Okay. Now
Can we put dollar bill?
Okay, we'll try dollar now.
Yes.
Should we try coin? Okay, coin, not dollar, coin. Okay, but what do you think? Whether it will glow or it will not glow?
It will glow.
It will not glow.
Why it will not glow?
Because
Let's see. Is it metal or not? Okay, or is it conductor? So yes, because the coin is made of metal.
That's why
Yes.
glowing.
And it is a good conductor. It is a good conductor. Coin is a good conductor. Okay. You got confused, Zainab?
Dollar bill.
Okay, now we'll try something else.
Ma'am,
Amara,
dollar
are you
bill.
there? Amara, are you there? Okay, now we will check with other material, okay?
Please bill.
Dollar, rupees. Okay, rupees. So now guess whether my light, whether my bulb will.
That is not glowing.
It will not glow. Why it will not glow? Why it will not glow?
Because it is made of metal.
Okay, Musfira said it is not made of.
With paper.
The correct word is it is an insulator. Okay, this
Yes.
this dollar rupees is made of paper, and paper is an insulator. It's not a conductor. Okay, my bulb did not glow. Okay. Okay. Now what?
Paper clip and coin is metal.
Oh, my Amara is back. Amara is back. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. The light is gone. That's why I was in the computer first.
Okay. I was searching for you, Amara. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Amara. Now next you go.
Paper clip and coin is
Rizwani, listen. Should I give a chance to Amara? Should I give one chance to Amara? Amara, choose one thing. We'll connect to the circuit and let's see whether my bulb will glow or not. Okay? Amara, choose. Hand. Zainab, Amara. I want to give chance to Amara because she was not there, no? Wire we have already connected, Amara. Wire is needed for the circuit. Hand. Okay, we'll try with hand. Okay? We'll try with hand. What do you think? Whether my bulb will glow or not?
Not glow. It will not glow.
It is not glow.
Let's see. see. Okay, let's see.
No.
My bulb is not glowing. Why my bulb is not glowing?
And the insulator. Our hands are
Yes,
made with clay.
because our hand is not made of metal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and we put it and we joined it with a hand and we get the shock.
Yes, that is why we should not touch the broken wires. Okay, Amara, why the light did why the bulb did not glow? Amara, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm there
Yes, why my bulb did not glow, Amara?
because hand is not like electric.
Okay, because it does not. Because yes, it's an insulator. There are two types, no, insulator and conductor. Conductors are made of metals. Okay, metals. All metal will allow the electricity to pass through it, and that is how the bulb will glow. Okay, but this hand will not allow the electricity to pass, so that is an insulator. Okay,
Ma'am.
we'll try something else.
Ma'am,
Yes.
pencil.
Okay, we'll try pencil. Yes, Zainab, you were saying something.
He's telling dog.
Oh, dog. Okay, we'll try dog first. Okay, we'll try dog. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? My bulb will glow or not?
No.
Bulb will not glow?
Because he's into
Because
insulator.
it is insulator. Let's try Ali, okay?
Insulator.
Ali, what do you think? It will glow or not?
Ma'am, wire.
Okay, we'll try with wires as well. See, my bulb is not glowing. That means it's an insulator, okay? It does not allow the electricity to pass through it. Okay. Now what else is left?
Now pencil.
Okay, we'll try with pencil. Pencil is a tough one. Tell me, my bulb will glow or not?
No.
Why?
No,
Why
ma'am.
Why?
Because he's insulator.
Insulator, because wood is an insulator. Let's try this, okay? But see, let's try this. My bulb is glowing. Can you see? How my bulb is glowing?
Yes, ma'am. Glowing.
Because tell me why my bulb is glowing. Okay, Zainab, please tell me.
Because the wrapping of the wrapping is actually a metal, so it's glowing.
No, outside it's a wood. Okay, the wood is a insulator,
Ma'am.
but inside the
Ma'am.
pencil. Yes, Amara.
Ma'am, I'm Musfira.
Musfira, yes,
Nurjani.
Musfira. Yes, Musfira, tell me.
The word give मतलब,
Tell
the
me.
word give some light to bulb.
Why I will tell you. Wood is a insulator. It will not allow the electricity to pass through it. But inside the wood, what is it? It's a lid. Okay, it's a lid, which is a good conductor of.
Metal, ma'am.
Yes, it's a very good conductor of electricity. Okay, it's a conductor, and that is why can you see my bulb is not glowing very bright? It's not very bright. It's dim because there's a wood also and there's a lid also inside it. Okay, so lid is a good conductor of electricity.
Glowing only.
Yes, it's very mild. Can you see that? Yes, it's not very bright. Okay, now what next should we try?
Wires.
Wires are
Ma'am.
over. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to tell you something. Can you
Yes.
join in art class?
Yes, I will join an art class. Okay, and today I will also draw with you all. Okay, is it all right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will sit with Zainab. Okay, I will sit with Zainab and I will draw with you all.
You want to sit alone.
Oh, this is a tough job, Musfira. Okay, I will sit alone. What?
Umar and Manha is coming in the arts class.
Yes, they will join in art class. Okay. Now Ali's turn. Ali, tell me what should I connect?
What is that gold color?
Gold. Okay. Resistor. Should I connect resistor? Do you know what is resistor?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Okay. So resistor is a.
But bulb is glow. Bulb is glow. I know because he's metal.
Okay. Okay. Musfira is saying the bulb will glow. Okay.
Yes, bulb will glow.
Okay.
will
Let's
glow.
see. Okay. It's a safety
Bulb
device
will
which is
glow.
used like for a safety purpose, like, you know. My bulb is not glowing. See? Can you see? My bulb is not glowing. Okay, let's try the last thing. My bulb is not glowing. It is actually the resistor. Yes.
Ma'am, can we try the fuse?
Battery.
Okay, we'll try one more battery. Okay, we'll try one more battery. Okay. Now there are two batteries. There's a fire. Oh my God, there's too much of electricity. Oh my God, whose idea it was?
Oh my God.
It was Ali's idea to put two batteries. Oh my God. Ali,
God.
it was not your idea. Okay, so let's try. We'll put this.
One more time. Ma'am, one more time.
Okay, listen. Now I'm going to add resistor over here. Okay, let's try with the resistor. What it does? No, it's not glowing.
Ma'am, one more time now.
Listen, now it's glowing. See, resistor is like, you know, when there is too much of electricity. When there is too much of electricity, it controls. See, I have not, before that I have not put resistor. So what happened? The fire was caught, right? Yes, there was a fire. But the moment I put the resistor, it is like, you know, it is controlling the electricity. So that is the role of the resistor.
The bulb is glowing too much. Ma'am.
Yes, the bulb is glowing too much, and that is the role of the resistor. Yes, tell me.
Wire. Put it that.
Now what should I put?
Silver one.
Acha, okay. Silver one is fuse. Yes, fuse. Fuse is also same like resistor. Okay, we'll try.
Double battery.
Okay, wait. My this is stuck, I think so. Oh, just give me a minute, okay? I don't know.
And you are picking resistor.
Okay, good. Okay. Now I'm going to put fuse, okay? Let's try with the fuse. See, can you see what happened? See, I'll show you again what happened, okay? With the fuse. Okay. Because there are two batteries. Okay, there's too much of electricity. So what fuse does is, see, initially, no, I saw that bulb was glowing, but immediately it stopped the electricity to pass through it. So it is also a safety device. I will show you again. Let's check it again. No, now it's not happening, but actually when there is, I'll add one more wire to it. Let's check what happens when I add one more wire to it between them. Still my bulb is not glowing. Why? It should glow.
Ma'am, I am telling you to pick a wire.
Wire. Okay, I'll add more wire. Chalo, come on. I'll add more wire. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now, is my bulb glowing? No, it's not glowing.
No.
Okay, let me remove this fuse. Okay. Okay.
Why is not glowing?
Now it's glowing. Amara, it's glowing.
Now it's glowing.
For a simple circuit.
I told you.
Yes,
But
that's
ma'am,
really nice.
I told you.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Amara.
nice idea.
Musfira Sayyed is not talking.
Ma'am.
Okay, so is everything done? Is everything done in this?
But ma'am, the
Yes.
fuse is made up of metal. Then why is bulb not glowing?
I don't know. There would be some problem, but with the fuse, the bulb should glow actually. No, but inside, no, there's a metal. Zainab, inside that fuse, no, it's definitely it's made of glass, but inside that, no, there's a metal. It should glow, but I don't know why it is not glowing over here. We made some mistake or something.
The glass is covering it because the glass
Yes.
is covering it.
Yes,
Ma'am, now
Okay.
we want to write now. You tell.
Yes, I have to give you a lot of writing work. Yes, Ali, tell me. Go ahead. I'll just listen to Ali.
Now of the liver.
How? What happened, Ali?
To see of the liver.
Of the liver. Liver is what? Ali, switch.
Yes.
Okay. Should I cut the switch?
Yes.
Okay. I'm cutting the switch. Then?
Of the switch. Of the switch.
Acha. Off on the switch. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. See, when I have switched off the my switch, what happened? My bulb is not growing. The moment I will connect my switch, what is happening? My bulb is glowing. Okay, we learned a lot about a simple circuit. Now let me stop sharing my screen. And now, as Musfira said, she wants to write. We will write. Okay? Can we write? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I also want to write.
Okay. Okay. Come on then. Okay. Now, what you have to write is, this is a game.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, where do we use this? This you have to write. Where do we use buzzer? Okay. Where do we use buzzer? Buzzer. Yes.
Where write in the spiral book.
Yes, you have to write in the spiral book.
Use buzzer. Ma'am, in the circuit. Ma'am, I write it.
Yes, you write in your notebook. Amara, write in your notebook. Ali, Ali, you also start writing. So now where do we use buzzers? Buzzers are used in lot of different places, like doorbells. Musfira Sayyed. Yes, buzzers are used in circuit. Yes, correct, Musfira. Doorbells, okay, ting tong, car horns, and in emergency vehicles like ambulance, beep, and police car. Even in bike, yes, car horns, bike horns, yes. So we use buzzers in lot of different places. Okay, so you can copy this. You have to first copy the question, where do we use buzzer, and then write the answers. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, what is the date?
Date is 18th. 18th December 2020.
Bathroom and the kitchen and the bedroom. And the kitchen. And the hall. And the living room also. And the living room.
Are you all writing? Ali, hope Usman is not troubling you.
Yes.
Usman is not troubling you, no? Now?
Yes.
Okay, now you can write. Ali, where is your book, Ali? I can't see your book.
Ma'am, you can see
Okay.
my book.
Please start writing, Ali. You have not even opened the book. Quickly start
What do you-
writing. See, this is the question. Where do we use buzzer? Okay. And this is the answer. Buzzers are used in lot of places like doorbells, car horns, in emergency vehicles like ambulance, beep, which does no. That is a buzzer, and a police car.
And
we get lost, we put the buzzer so we all of them can hear and they can.
Yes.
When you
When we knock the door, how we will knock the door? We cannot knock the door without the buzzer, right? The doorbell has a buzzer inside it. When we when we click the button, that time the door bells, okay, and the buzzer buzz.
ding dong.
Yes, ding dong. Yes, Musfira.
What I should write? Anyone?
No, not anyone. You have to write the entire thing. First, write the question. Where do we use buzzer? And see, this is the entire answer, okay? Buzzers are used in...
You want to write full?
Yes, full.
I need handwriting.
Yes, in neat handwriting. And then you have to submit on Google Classroom so that I can check how you all have written, okay?
Why every teacher say we are do nice writing?
Because they love to see neat handwriting. No, okay. With me, that's all right, even if you don't write neat handwriting. Isa, are Usman, no troubling Ali. I'm here. In my next session, you can join Ali, okay, Usman? Do you know when I ask something to Ali, no, Usman replies. Yes, Ali? Amara, Mohammed also stays with you, Amara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and even Alfia, ma'am? Oh, acha.
Ma'am, all of this, ma'am.
He is your cousin or he is your brother? He is your cousin, right?
Cousin, ma'am.
Okay, cousin. So he has come to stay with you for some time?
Never see the golden sparrow. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ali, what you were saying, Ali?
I have never seen a golden sparrow in first standard.
Golden sparrow.
I go in the golden sparrow. I have only been the second grade. I have never been in golden sparrow first grade.
Acha, in grade 1, you were not in golden sparrow. You were in DPWS, right?
Yes. And I am in ICRA in the first
Yes, yes. Now you all are together, like my sparrows.
My Purana friend.
Do you know I love you so much? I love you all so much. Today,
Leave me in the DPWS and then I come in ICRA and I give it a party.
Yes.
Why
today my Musfira Sayyed is very quiet. She's not chit-chatting with me. Why, Musfira?
Ma'am, and my sister, my cousin sister helped me so much in the cooking.
Who's your cousin sister?
Misbah.
Misbah Didi. Oh, acha. She helped you.
Yes, and he made
She made
donuts.
She made donuts. Okay, Musfira, now you are just chit-chatting with me. Now you have to write also, huh, Musfira?
I am writing also.
You have to start writing.
I started.
Okay, good, Musfira.
I did one line with good handwriting.
Now you tell
Yes.
Ali, don't do chit-chatting.
Ali, you should not chit chat with me. You should write. See how Musfira Sayyed is writing. She's so serious today. And I'm so happy with her.
He's angry with me.
See, she's not even laughing actually. Do you know that? Musfira Sayyed is not even laughing. You're not in a good mood, Musfira. Are you upset with me?
Why you buzzer are used in lots of different places. After that, L-I-K it is or it is R.
Where? Buzzers are used in lot of different places, like L-I-K-E. L-I-K-E.
Where do we use buzzer?
Yeah, my hand is paining.
Oh my God, in just one question, your hand started paining. Oh my God. Your mouth does
No,
not pain,
I
Musfira,
write
when you talk so
question.
much. Huh?
I write a question, but
You
that
wrote
buzzer
question.
are used in lots of
Different places.
different places. So long.
Oh my God. Only one question will finish, okay? I will not give you too much of writing now. Just finish this and then huh. Just one question, quickly. Who's shouting from behind?
Usman.
Usman is shouting all the time.
Ma'am, you also.
Okay. Now I will mute myself. Okay, I will mute myself. I can't stop talking with you all, Malum.
You are not writing. You can talk it.
Because I already wrote on the PPT, no? That is why I'm not writing.
You don't want to obviously write.
What is PPP?
PPP, nahi, PPT. That's a PowerPoint.
Sorry, ma'am.
Amara. I think so. Amara disappeared because she does not want to write. Yes, Amara.
Ma'am, I was writing. My father called. My father's called. Come. That's why.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You can continue writing, okay, Amara?
Done, ma'am.
Oh.
Nice done. One line. Buzzer are used
Oh.
in lot of different places. Done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Oh, Zainab is done. Wow, Zainab, very quick.
My hand is paining.
Oh my God, Musfira. Musfira, you have told me twice. My hands are paining. My hands are paining. Because you are talking too much, Musfira.
No, I'm not talking too much.
Muspira Rizwani, you have to write till end.
Musfira Sayyed. Now Musfira Sayyed has started talking now. Now I know this is Musfira Sayyed. Okay.
What is AMB? I meet everyone.
If
No,
Zainab would be the host and if Zainab would be the teacher, she would mute everyone.
Ma'am, now Muspira Sayyed is talking.
Now Musfira Sayyed has started talking. Yes, Amara.
I'm very quiet and doing my
Wow,
writing.
Amara, I love you for that.
You said.
But you can also talk to me, Amara, okay? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You said you.
Okay, I'm on mute. I will not talk. Ali said you ma'am should not talk. So I'm on mute, okay? Zainab muted me. Ali actually muted me. Ali told me not to talk.
Unmuting you.
Zainab, if you want to take a break and if you want to prepare for your art classes, like your books and
I
crayons and
prepare
everything,
my art classes.
materials, so you can leave the class. Zainab, you are done. You can leave the class. You are
Ma'am,
done
I'm
for the
writing
class.
with the ma'am, I'm writing last.
Okay, quickly complete. Then we have an art class. I don't want you to get tired, so just take a long little 15 minutes break. Okay, proper break. Musfira, if your hands are getting tired, I will send you on Google Classroom. You can complete later on. Do you want to do that?
I don't want. No.
Okay. but at least you have to click a picture and you have to submit on Google Classroom. Okay,
Okay.
so that I can check what you all have written. And Musfira Sayed, you have to keep checking your Google Classroom. Okay, Musfira, I want you to complete all your assignments.
Musfira Singh, Musfira is money.
No, Musfira Sayed. I'm talking to Musfira Sayed.
Chatting again.
Oh my God, I keep forgetting that Ali has muted me. Okay, now I will not talk.
Mama, ting tong karagot.
Amara,
Mama, ting tong karagot.
what is that, Amara? Ting tong. There's a buzzer, no, Amara, inside that ting tong doorbell.
Zainab, go down and play.
Zainab, you
Don't
go down
attend
and
art
prepare.
class.
Hey, she should attend art class. Musfira, go and prepare all the material for your art class. Go quickly. Y- did you see my check my mobile phone? Go.
Ma'am, I write it 2 lines.
Musfira, you have to complete not only 2 lines. You have to complete all the 4 lines.
Okay, ma'am, I have to say. I am the teacher today. And she's the student. Yes, you're the student and I'm the teacher now.
Just look at her.
Zainab, go prepare
One day I will allow everyone to become a teacher, okay? And I will be a student.
one student and a lot of teachers.
Ali is telling me not to talk, and y'all are still talking with me.
Talk.
Ali said you should not talk, so I'm on mute. Okay, Musfira Sayed, you can leave and join for a art class. Take a 15 minutes break because you would be tired.
Ma'am, this class is continue, please.
I'm waiting for you, Musfira. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I am in third line.
Okay, Mamara, quickly complete so that you will
Me
get a
too,
long
ma'am.
break before the art class. Okay, I don't want you all to get tired.
A and D and P O L I C
all are done, you all can leave the class. Again, Usman has come. Again, he has come.
My hand.
Musfira, just leave it. Musfira, oh sorry. Musfira, just
I
leave it.
want to.
No, beta, leave it. If your hands are getting tired, don't write.
Ma'am, I finished.
Wow, Amara, well done. You can leave the class and prepare for your next class, okay? Art class. We'll meet
Okay,
over
ma'am.
there. And I will join you over there, okay, Amara? I will also draw with
Okay.
you. Bye-bye,
Okay,
Amara.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, I am on last.
Okay, quickly complete. Ali, you are on mute, Ali.
You said neat handwriting, that's why I am writing slow.
Oh, acha. Ali, but quickly complete so that you will get a break, Ali. Okay?
My almost is complete.
Okay. You are almost done. Okay? Yes.
Complete.
Good, Musfira. Musfira, are you reading book or not every day? Tell me quickly. I'm going to ask your mama, okay, Musfira, that you have to read book at least 2 pages every day. Now you are hiding your face. That means you are not reading, na? Okay. So I will speak to you, Musfira, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
but that second book is my finish.
Okay, so we will give you a next book, okay? Is it all right?
Last Sathya Giri gave me a gift, not that story book.
So start reading that book. Yes, start reading that book. Yes, Ali. Are you done, Ali?
In the last line.
Okay. Musfira, bye-bye. You can leave the class. Take a break, okay? Bye-bye. Take a break.
Ma'am, I prepare.
Okay, but still take a break because your hands were paining, no? Now again for the art class, you have to draw and everything. Again, your hands will pain, right? So take a break. Bye-bye, Mushfi. Bye-bye. Now, Ali, on which line you are? You are on which line? You are muted, Ali. You are muted.
Last line.
Last line. Okay. Hope you are not tired, Ali, right?
I am not very tired.
Okay, good, good. And please submit on Google Classroom, huh, Ali? I will make an assignment and submit on Google Classroom. Ah, Umaima has joined so soon for the art class.
Hello,
Hello, Umaima. How are you?
fine, ma'am.
Okay, but why you have joined so soon? We have 15 minutes in our hand. Take a break.
I have to screen share and play, that's why.
Okay, but before that, I have to end the meet, right? Ali, is it done?
In last line, just some.
Okay. In emergency vehicles. For example, ambulance and police car.
And I am in the for EG. ENG.
For example, EG is example. For example, ambulance and police car. Zainab. Ali, are you done?
I am in police car 1.
Okay, okay. Just complete it.
Hi, Zainab.
She can't hear you, Maima, because I'm wearing my headphone.
Just a full stop I want to.
Okay, full stop you can put. Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
Done.
Okay. Okay, Ali. Bye bye. We'll meet in the art class. Okay, Ali? Bye
Yes.
bye. Bye, Umaima.